Hey there, I'm the snarky one. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Whether this is your first visit, 100th visit, or somewhere in between, I appreciate you taking the time to check things out. Today I will be doing an unboxing and review of Mpow's latest true wireless earbuds, the M30 Plus. These are earbuds that I have found and purchased on Amazon with my own money, and as such the review you're about to see will be an honest and unbiased review of the M30 Plus earbuds. If you haven't seen the trailer for this unboxing review, please check out the link below in the description. Finally, if you like or appreciate the content and the review, don't forget to like and leave a comment below in the comment section. With that, DS1, drop the needle. Oh, what to order? Well, I'll let you know that the pair of headphones I'm looking to replace is a pair of Monster iSport wired headphones. The battery had over-discharged and I was SOL for something to rock out with. And looking on Amazon, I noticed there was way too many choices to choose from. One of the ones near the top of the list was from Mpow, and these were the M30 Plus. They boast a Bluetooth 5.0, IPX7 water resistance, a 5-hour charge with extra charging capacity from the case, a punchy bass, and other interesting things. I'll walk through these during my review. General reviews seem to be pretty good for these, and oh wait, coupon discount? I'm in. Place the order. Oh hey, a package arrived from Amazon today. I wonder what's inside. Well, let's open it up and have a look. Just get that tape opened up here. Let's cut myself. Alrighty, some bubble wrap inside here. I'll take out that bubble wrap and see what's underneath. Oh, cool. Red box. Mpow M30 Plus True Wireless Earbuds. Okay, yeah, that's what I ordered. So we can get that out of the sleeve. Should be pretty easy. Maybe not quite so easy. Oh, there we go. Okay, we'll set that down here. And put that there. Let's have a look and see what's inside this beautiful black box. Oh, cool. Here's the case. And a little bit smooth. It's got Mpow on the front. Pretty beefy case. And then the earbuds are nicely presented on the top of the tray here. This is the left one. Okay, looks pretty cool. Feels pretty light in my hand. And the right one here. Not much different than the left. Okay, let's have a look under the tray and see what's here. Okay, 2 bags of things. This one looks like a bag of ear fins. This one looks like it should be the cushions. And USB charging cord. Owner's manual. Oh, and warranty card for 2 years. Oh, that's kind of cool. And I think this is a quick reference card. Okay, that'll help. Okay, let's have a look at the case here a little closer. So we get that lid opened up. Oh, come on, lid. Stay open. It's got a spot for left and right earbuds. Lid. Looks like they just pop right in there. Magnets, I think, to hold them in place. Oh, that lid's going to be annoying. It doesn't want to stay open. On the front, there's a little cover. Open that up. It's got USB-C for charging in and USB-A for charging out, which is one of the benefits of the M30 Plus case. And the magnets, yeah, they're holding those earbuds in there. They're not coming out. Okay, let's have a look in this little bag here. I think these ones are the ear cushions. Let's see how many are inside the bag. Looks like 3 pairs, so 4 pairs total, including the ones that came on the earbuds. This bag here is going to be the ear fins then. And there are 2 pairs in here by the looks of things, so 3 pairs total. Give a good customization fit for your ears. Looks like everything was here that was supposed to be here, and the earbuds are just a little bit bigger than $0.25. Oh, and let's not forget about that 2-year warranty. Okay, welcome to the review of the M30 Plus from Mpow True Wireless Earbuds. Supposed to open in instant connect. Pairing, let's check it out. Okay, we'll just get the case open here. I'm going to attempt to pair these to my iPhone. See that the earbuds blinking, ready to pair. I guess I'll need to turn on my Bluetooth. Get that going here. Well, case, swipe, yeah, there we go. And just scroll down the devices and help land. Already connected. Well, that's pretty impressive, that's fast. Okay, and I can tell they're connected. And there's a little headphone up here with a battery indicator. So full charge, ready to go. Okay, next up, fitting ergonomic ear fins. Secure and comfortable. Well, let's have a look here. Get the case over here and open it up. Now, look at the right earbud and the band that's on here. I'm going to just take that off. See how it comes off here. Pretty easy. Take it down off the bottom of the cushion. Probably not the right way to do it, but that's how I'll go about it. Now, how I'm going to get these put back on in the right way. Let's have a look at the earbud here. Spin it around. Let's see. Okay, there's a little bit of a nub or something on the end here. On the top half of that band. Okay. Let's have a look at the fin. Well, the fin's got a matching slot. And they're not in the middle, so that'll help get those in the right spot. Okay, these earbuds boast touch control. Something unique in this price point. Single touch starts and stops the music. So I'll just tap it here. And away we go. And if I double tap, that'll change to the next song or the next one. Pretty cool feature. These earbuds also boast the ability to control Siri. I wonder how that's going to work out. Well, let's give it a try. Triple tap. Siri, play Bullet for My Valentine. Open music. Oh, that is cool. And then a single tap, pause, play. Oh man, this is going to be fun. Probably can't hear that sound. I'll have to get some sound samples on another video for you guys. Now I chose the M30 Plus over the M30 to get the extra charging from the case. Yes, the case is a little bit bigger, and you can see here on the right side there's an LED light for the right earbud, and on the left side is out for the left earbud. Opening up the case, there's 4 LEDs on the front, and currently my case is at 50%, so 2 LED lights out of 4. Close the case, and it goes back to show the status of the earbuds and charging. When the light's out, the charge is good. Something that intrigued me was punchy bass. Not sure if I'd be able to describe it, so let's see if we can listen. I'm thinking like the previous sound sample, you guys probably aren't going to be able to hear this just with the backing track I've got. So the punchy bass is like right in the middle of your head, and my goodness, if you're a bass head, these will be awesome. At the time of this review, I haven't yet been able to test out the IPX7 waterproof rating. If you guys think I should, leave me a comment down below. So my full review, I posted up on the Mpow community website. I've included a link for you guys down below in the details section. Some of the highlights, the pairing was incredibly fast, something I appreciated. The fit of the earbuds was also really good and very customizable. The capacity of the case to deliver 100 hours of listening time before charging the case was outstanding as well. And the touch sense has really set the bar high for me for future earbud purchases. I don't know if I could go without that. The thought of that is just something awe-inspiring for this price point. Anyways, check it out. Links down below. Hey, thanks for stopping by and checking out the unboxing and review of the Mpow M30 Plus True Wireless Earbuds. I hope you enjoyed the video and the content that I provided. If so, please leave a comment down below in the comment section. Perhaps consider liking and subscribing if you really enjoyed it and like to see more. Thank you very much. Okay, time to go get me some waffles. I've included a link to my favorite waffle recipe down in the description below. Hope you guys enjoy. Until next time, TS1 out.